Hey friends, if you encounter the error with this item was encoded in a format that's not supported with the error code 0xc00d5212, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to use VLC. So all you need to do is open the Microsoft Store and wait for it to load. Now I'll explain why using VLC. The main cause of the problem is that the codecs are not available, and VLC is one software which uses the maximum possible codecs. So search for VLC and then open VLC, download and install it directly. Once it is installed, use it for opening all media files. The next one is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager, and then expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update it. Right click on the second one and update it. And then obviously the last solution is to use the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.